Good morning. We're here to do a different kind of video. So it's a DIY video for the X5. So when we got this X5, it had the M stripes on the grille, which I personally don't like because this is not an M model. So yeah, I'll have to change this one. So we ordered new grills for it. So this just arrived today via mail. Let's see. Nice, so it's cleaner. See? Trim is glossy black and quality is actually good. So it's time to install. Removing the grill is easy. You just have to unhinge the clips all around. So let's try to do that. So it comes in two parts, the shroud, the inner shroud, and the actual grill. So I think we need to reuse this when we install the new one. So I use a pair of pliers to unclip it. See? You just have to tighten it and then it will pop like this. We remove the first shroud. So then we're trying to pry this off. There will be some clips here. Number one, then another one here, and then here. So one down. Okay, so that is out now. So yep, time to change it. If you have time, better clean this area, because once you install it, you won't be able to remove the dirt. So I'll probably do a bit of cleaning. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old grill with the M stripe to the new all-gloss black grill. So yeah, it's the same, but this one has no stripe. And we're done. So it's cleaner now. So I would say you need about 30 minutes to do this. 30 minutes to an hour depending on your mood. Yep. Well done.
A few moments later.
Now it's time for a wash. All done.